This is an awareness video in memory of Taylor Harris, daughter of Don Clifford and Cherokee Brown. Taylor Harris was a beautiful person inside and out. So much love for everybody that she came in contact with. She had her smile on daily. She always remained positive. She loved animals, horses, and even basketball. She had a huge heart for everybody. She loved her red car. She loved her family. She loved her papa. She had no fear of going out and getting dirty and coming right back in. This incident happened in ETT, Wyoming. This incident took a life. It made a lot of people sad. It made a lot of people cry. Help us get this word out to the people about seatbelts and street racing. Help us bring awareness. Help us help our kids. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, baby. I missed you. I miss you so bad. There's not a day that goes by that I don't think about you. I know you're watching down on all of us. I love you so much.
Hi, sister.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, baby.
Love you.
Love you.
Miss you.
Miss you so much. Merry Christmas.
Wish you were here. Think about you all the time. Cry every day.
Mostly.
Mostly every day.
Love you, Taylor.
We miss you.
Mhm.